Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see how much Sam's Club cash you have left. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have Sam's Club cash. How do you actually go ahead and check and see how much is left? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down, then click on Payment Methods. Now, the first tab that you're going to see here is Sam's Cash, and you can see here that my available balance is $4.23. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see how much Sam's Cash you have left remaining on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.